Whether you scoop, scrape, lift or pour, the Rhinox range always offers more.
Here at Rhinox we manufacture a range of excavator buckets and attachments for the 12 to 15 tonne excavator. We start with the narrowest bucket being a 12 inch, which we have on the shelf for next day delivery, right through to the 48 inch on the digging and bulking buckets. And then on the grading bucket we actually have a 72 inch grader, which comes with a bolt-on reversible edge as standard. And we have a 48 inch riddle bucket that is kept in stock for next day delivery too. We do actually have a number of other attachments that work with this size range, but I'll go into a bit more detail later.
So we'll start off with some of the key features of the Rhinox Extreme Performance buckets and attachments. Start with the multi-layer protection. We have the Rhinox badging, which doubles up as an extra wear strip along the base of the bucket. You've got extra wear plates on the bottom face of the bucket, which is more wear protection than the standard plates you'll see on many manufacturers. You've also got a reinforced leading edge down the leading face of the bucket, which leads on to the substantial side cutters, which are 450 Brunel. And also unique to Rhinox, we have the bucket hooks, which is consistently standard all the way through our digging bucket range, right up to 25 tonne. This enables you to move the buckets around site safely and in a controlled manner. Now we'll move on to the options on the front face of your buckets. To start off with, we have the bolt-on reversible blade. This gives you a double-faced edge, so once the front face is worn, you can spin it round and utilise the back face too. This again is 450 Brunel. We have the cat tips with the weld-on blade. Then we have the standalone cast cat tips here. This is a Rhinox design with a serrated edge, giving it maximum digging performance, but will also fit on any cat style adapter.
We have a number of other products that fit within the 12 to 15 tonne excavator bucket range. We have the dedicated pickup products such as the land rake, the ripper tooth and the riddle bucket. These just come on the 65mm pins. And then we have the multi-pin pickup products that work with both 12 to 15 tonne and the 20 to 25 tonne. So these are the concrete pouring bucket and the pallet forks. Below in the description we've linked up a couple of the dedicated videos that go over these products in more specific detail.
The buckets and attachments in the 12 to 15 tonne range start from £1,000 up to £2,000. These are also available to purchase through our website.
We trust this video on the 12 to 15 tonne excavator bucket range has been informative for you. If you'd like to know more about some of the specific products we've mentioned in this video, follow us on the YouTube channel above.
Or on the link below, above. So I point below and point above. We'll start off with a few, start again. Unique to Rhinox, we have the, what am I doing today? Come on.